Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today this is the last of the 3 packages I had waiting, that I was waiting to come in the mail. I ordered this one from Rainbow Carnivores. Okay. So a little thank you for your order. I like Rainbow Carnivores plants. They got such nice plants. Ooh. The plant I got this time was Utricularia dictoma, which is the common name for this particular bladderwort. Is sometimes called fairy aprons because when they're in bloom, the flowers kind of look very much like aprons. There they are. I'm going to have to transplant this before I go to work today because I don't want it just sitting there. But I'm going to repot this off camera. I don't exactly, I have to look up where this plant is originally from, but it is a very pretty plant. If you happen to like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.